வெல்கம் டு பயாலஜி ஈஸி சேனல் உங்களை அன்புடன் வரவேற்கிறது. ஸோ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆஃப் ஆல் தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் சப்ஸ்கிரைப். ஸோ நீங்கள் இப்போ நீட் எக்ஸாம் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கிறனால உங்களுக்காக நான் கொஞ்சம் ஹெல்ப் பண்ணலாம்னு நான் ஒரு ஐடியா எடுத்துருக்கிறோம். ஸோ அதனால் வந்து என்சிஆர்டி புக்கில் ஒரு 50 கொஸ்டின்ஸ் அனாட்டமிலேருந்து தரோம். ஸோ அதனால் இந்த டயத்தில் நீங்கள் வந்து ரீடிங்னா என்ன, ஸ்டடிங்னா என்னென்னு பார்த்துங்க. ஸ்டடிங்னா லைன் பை லைனாக பார்த்துக்கிட்டே இருக்கிறது, மெமரி பண்ணுறது தான் ஸ்டடிங். இப்போ உங்களுக்கு தேவை வந்து ரீட் பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டே இருங்க. ஒரு நாளைக்கு 100 பேஜ் ஸ்டடி பண்ணுங்கள். 100 பேஜ் 1 மார்க்கை ஸ்டடி பண்ணிகிட்டே இருங்க. பாசிபிலிட்டி தான். இப்போ நீங்கள் நீட்டு புக்கு வாங்கிருதுன்னா 100 பேஜ் இல்லை 200 பேஜ் கூட ஒரு நாளைக்கு ஸ்டடி பண்ணிடலாம், ரீட் பண்ணிட்டு போயிட்டே இருக்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் கிளாஸிஃபை பண்ணி ரிமைனிங் எவ்வளோ டேஸ் இருக்கோ அந்த இந்த டேஸுக்கு வந்து அந்த மாதிரி நீங்கள் கால்குலேட் பண்ணி புக்கை வந்து முதல்ல வந்து செப்பரேட் பண்ணிக்க பிரிச்சுக்கிட்டு அந்த மாதிரி ரீட் பண்ண கற்றுக்குங்க. யூ கேன் ஈஸிலி கெட் தி சென்டம் இந்த பயாலஜியில் நீட்டில் நல்ல மார்க் நீங்கள் ஸ்கோர் பண்ணலாம். அதுக்கு எங்களோட வாழ்த்துக்கள். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ நாம் இன்னைக்கு பார்க்க போகிற டாபிக் வந்து என்னென்னா, அதாவது அனாட்டமி ஆஃப் த ஃப்ளாரிங் பிளான்ஸ். ஓகேங்களா? அந்த பார்னைமா, குளோரோனைமா, ஸ்கிலோனைமா, ஜைலம் பிளேம்லாம் இருக்குல்ல, அதை பற்றி நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஓகேங்களா? கொஸ்டின்ஸ் பாருங்கள். த மெரிஸ்டமெட்டிக் டிஷ்யூ ஆர் கம்போஸ்ட் ஆஃப் டேஸ். 1 மார்க் கொஸ்டின்ஸ். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், இம்மெச்சூர் செல்ஸ் வித் பவர் டு டிவைட். இதுதான் ஆன்சரு. ஒன்றுக்கு ஆன்சர் வந்து டிங்க. செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் பார்த்துங்க. செலக்ட் த ஆப்ஷன்ஸ் தட் கரெக்ட்லி ஐடென்டிஃபைஸ் த லேபிளிங் ஏபிசி the given figures showing section of root apical meristems. Second, answer A, cortex, prototerms, root cap. Third question பாருங்க. Identify the given figure and select the correct options for A, B, C. Third question answer B, leaf primordium, shoot apical meristems, axillary bud. Okay, very important questions. Fourth questions, both apical meristems and intercalary meristems are dash meristems. Very very important questions. Answer is A, primary. Fifth questions, read the following statements regarding meristematic cells and select the correct one. The fifth one given the 4 options. Answer is 1 and 2. The sixth questions, the growth of roots and stems is length with the help of the apical meristem is called. The sixth one answer is A, primary growth. The vascular cambium and cork cambium are examples of. The seventh one answer is B, lateral meristem. Very important. The root cap is monocots is formed by. The eighth one answer is B, calyptrogen. The ninth one, the cell of the cushion center are characterized by. The ninth one answer is B, having light cytoplasm and small nuclei. The 10th questions, vascular tissue of angiosperm differ from those of gymnosperm is dash. Very important questions, expected questions, kindly note down. The 10th answer is D, all of these. The 11th questions, which one of the following is not characteristics of meristematic cells? Very important. Answer is A, presence of intracellular space. The 12th questions, dash is a living mechanical tissue. The 12th questions, B. 13th questions, in angular coloncyma thickening are present. 13th answer is C, at the corner of cell. Very important, at the corner of cell. 14th questions, the sclerites are present in all of this fruit wall of nut, guava and bear, seeds coat of legumes. 15th questions, which of the following tissues has dead cells with thick and lignified cell walls having a few or numerous pits? Pits means குழிகள். Okay. 15th questions answer is A, sclerenchyma. A. Idioplast are 16th questions, idioplast are dash. Specialized parenchymal cells which contains ergostic substance. Ergostic substance is meaning waste substance. 17th questions, bone shaped sclerenchymatous cells found in the hypodermal layers of some seeds and fruits are called. 17th very important, osteosclerites. Very very important. This question definitely will come 17th. Okay. 18th questions, the given figure shows which one of the following cells. Okay, understand the pictures. 18th picture also given. Watch xylem vessels. 19th questions. All the xylem elements when mature are dead except dash. 19th answer is here. C. Xylem parenchyma. 20. Match the column 1 with the column 2 and select the correct options from the given codes. The 20. The 20, see the questions carefully. Vessels, trachea, xylem fibers, xylem parenchyma. Which one is add ons, which one is different, which one is combined. Check it. The given 4 options. 20th answer is here. B. A4, B3, C2, D1. Which one of the following is a vessel's less angiosperm? Very important. 21 definitely will come. Answer is all of this. Okay. 22. In endark conditions, the xylem protoxylem lies of dash metaxylem. Dash of metaxylem. 22 answer is here. A. On inner sides. 23. In protoxylem lies towards the periphery and metaxylem lies towards the center. Such arrangements primary xylem is called as. 23 answer is here. D. Roots exarch. Which one of the following conditions of xylems is present in both monocot and digard stems? Very important questions. Check this question also. 24 answer is here. A. Endark. 25. Read the following statements and select the correct ones. 25. Read the question. Answer is here. 1 and 3 is the correct answers. C. 26. The given the pictures, understand the questions. Identify the given figure and select the correct options for the parts labeled as A, B, C. 26 answer is here. A. C represent of the cells which are replaced by albuminous cells in non-flowering plants such as gymnosperm. 27. Select the incorrect pairs out of the following. Types of tissue function given. 27 answer. D. Phloem. Conduction of water and minerals is incorrect. Okay. 28. A common structure feature of vessels, elements and sieve elements is. The 28 answer is here. A. N nucleate conditions. The 29 match the following. Column 1, column 2 given the discoverer and which one's parts the givens. The 29 answer is here. B. A2, B4, C1, T3. 29. 30. Identify the types of vascular bundles in the given figures 1 and 2 and select the correct options. The 30, they given the 4 options also. The 30 answer is here. C. Conjoined collateral closed, conjoined collateral opened. Okay. 30. 31. Select the mismatched pairs. 31. They ask the very important question. C. Trichome cause water loss. 32. Understand the stomata given. You select the which one is correct. 32. Answer is here. Stomata, curd cells, subsidiary cells is a correct answer. Answer is D. 33. Identify the plants which possess the given types of curd cells. The leaves. Very important. 33 also very important. Answer is here. C. 1, 3rd and 4th. Okay. 34. Epidermal tissue system is derived from. 34. Answer is A. Prototerm. Very important. 35. 3 types of tissue system have been recognized in plants. On the basis of their functions, select the correct options regarding this. 35 answer is here. All of this. D. 36. Which one of the following exemplifies emergences? 36. Answer is here. C. Prickles and Rosa indica. Prickles means mutkal. Okay. 37. Which one of the following causes almost unbearable irritations of the skin? 37. Very important questions. Stinging hairs of Artica dioica. 37. Answer is D. 38. Read the 39 questions. Read the given paragraph. Very few words are underlined and correctly replace the underlined words. The epidermal tissue form a innermost covering the whole body. The epidermis is usually multi-layered, consists of the pores is called stomata. each stomata cover the subsidiary cells, lay chloroplast and regulate or something given this. The answers, next page, 38 questions. Answers A, B. Outermost single layer stomata covered possess a subsidiary cells. 39. Which one of the following tissue system constitute bulk of the plant body? 39. Answers A, B. Ground tissue system. In dash vascular bundles or stripe of vascular cambium is present between the xylem and phloem. 40. Very important questions. Answers A. Radial vascular bundles characteristically occurs in 41. Answers is C. Monocot and dicot. Very important questions. 42. Understand the pictures. Which is the correct answers? Can you find out? Answer is here C. These are characteristics of monocot and dicot leaves. 43. The select the mismatched pair out of the following. 43. Answer is here C. Ambivessels vascular bundles. Phloem surrounds xylem. The 44. Which one of the following is an incorrect pairs? Option A given. B there. B and C and D. The 44 answer is here C. Ambistomatic stomata non-functional or absent. And 45. The Casparian strips are the band of thickening present on the wall of dash. Very important. 45. Answer D. Both A and B. 46. Understand the diagram. They given the 4 options. Which one is layers? Level the parts. That's very important. 46. Answer is here. Can you find out? 46 answer is here B. Metaxylem, protoxylem, phloem, pericycle, endodermis. 47. Steels includes. Very important questions. All of these very important. 48. Transverse section of the parts. Level the parts. Univalues. 48. They given the options. 48. 48 answers is given the 3. Already given the 1 here. The answer is A. 48. And 49. Polyarc vascular bundles generally occur in dash. Very important questions. 49. Answer is here 49. Read the question carefully. The 49 answer is here D. Monocot root. Very important question. 50. Lysigenous cavity in monocot stems vascular bundles develops by the dissolution of dash. Very important questions. 50th answer is here protoxylem. Very important. Protoxylem. Definitely the question will come. 50. Okay. We will discuss later. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you.